Hello students, welcome to CSAP IAS Academy. January 5th is celebrated as National Bird Day, and this year's theme is A Bird in Flight is Poetry in Motion. Now this particular statement, it entails the fact that each and every bird, they have the right to flight. But we can only materialize this statement if we conserve them, because birds, they are under continued environmental distress due to the issues of urbanization, climate change, and illegal trade. In this particular context, India as a country has adopted various measures to conserve our bird species, which includes being a part of international conventions. Like, for instance, we are a part of the Bonn Convention, Ramsar Convention on Wetland. We are a part of the CITES. Apart from that, nationally too, we have enacted various legislations which include National Action Plan for the Conservation of Migratory Birds. Therefore, protecting the bird species is of utmost importance for maintenance of ecological balance, for sustainable development, and for the earth overall. Thank you.